Freshly made this morning. Would you like a sample?
It smells wonderful.
Avanti, avanti!
Look at the size of these grapes. Are they local? The best cheese in the valley.
Look at these grapes. Perfectly ripe.
We also have fresh eggs and vegetables. Fine cheese right here.
How much for the large loaf?
Excuse me, coming through with the goats.
Ecco lei, buon appetito! Grazie mille, sembra ottimo.
This is exactly what I imagined tea look like.
I know, the red flowers are everywhere. Did you get a shot of the goats?
This is absolutely stunning. Look at the detail on the stonework.
I know, I can't believe how clear these photos are turning out.
They are incredible. I know, this village is stunning. I have to get a shot of that balcony.
The red is so vibrant against the stone. Yeah, get a picture of that balcony. This is unbelievable. Look how narrow they're here.
And the water, it's the brightest turquoise I've ever seen.
This view is incredible.
I know, look at that water down there.
Check out the view down there.
It's incredible, but don't get too close to the edge.
Hey, whoa.
Look how high it goes!
It's incredible.